Are you looking for a part-time service crew member? If so, I am Angeline May Embadagwas, and I just want a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as a part-time service crew member will ultimately benefit your organization. I am currently taking up a bachelor's degree in accountancy in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. As a learning student, I have developed my skills and abilities and have acquired much knowledge. And I am thinking that my credentials and interests match with your requirements in this field. I have a pleasing personality and of good character. Being a student, I have developed my communication skills. I am capable of conversing in Filipino and English. My grasp of these two languages will make better understanding between the customers and I. I have a strong work ethic, and I can effectively interact with people across all levels in the organizational structure. I am a fast learner, and I am confident that, despite the lack of work experience in this field, I can assure you that I will do my job well done. I will be able to master the skills needed in this job to achieve my goals and the company's goals. I believe I can be an asset to your organization. For further information, I can be reached anytime at 0906-967-4909 or via email at angebadagwas@yahoo.com. Thank you for your time and consideration.